So it's dark. Why is it dark? I'm going to Canary Wharf. I'm going to get train so that I can go to one of the South African shops to buy some seasoning. I miss South African seasoning, so I have to go there and buy some Raja curry and beetle. So wow, I can see the weather today is so beautiful. It's not all that hot, not sunny, but it's a bit breeze. Let me show you. That's the sky, though it's like crowded, but otherwise anyway, I have to go there and buy what I want to buy. I'll get train from North Greenwich, so I'll take you to North Greenwich. Just watch me. I hope you are all fine. I hope everyone is fine. Let's go and continue walking to the station from my home. I just started like vlogging from this area, so let's continue with our journey to Canary Wharf. That's where there's a South African shop called Sahara. We'll see that together as one. Together as one. I'm now in like around the O2. So some of you've seen this area because I did a vlog the other day showing this area. It's the same area, but now I'm heading towards the station, which is called North Greenwich Station. Schools are on half term. I can see a lot of people with kids, parents, people, families, parents with kids. Definitely speaking the truth. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Watch this interesting vlog until the end. You see the Canary Wharf, where we call the Canary Wharf, where you see headquarters of banks, big banks. You name them: Bank of America, HSBC headquarters. I don't know. I heard that HSBC headquarters will be moving to another country. I don't know if they have moved already. So continue watching. So now I'm heading toward the station. I can see someone being fined because of spitting on the ground. That's what I can see there. But I'm not going to show, but I've just passed someone who has been fined because they saw him spitting on the ground. Guys, I'm entering Greenwich Station. This is underground station. So I'll be going down until where the train is. Tube. So watch this with me as I'm taking you down. Here on this escalator. That's where I am. Going down, guys. I'm going down. The underground train is always down. So this is it. Enjoy this trip. Oh dear. Do I need to top up? I don't think so. Do I need to get coffee? I'll get coffee where I'm going. So this is what I have to do. Touch, touch, touch. Touch, touch, touch. Gate open. Which side am I going? To my right, right, right. To my right. Okay. Not very busy, but it's going to be busy rush hour. So let's go and get this train together with you while you are watching. I'll get escalator going down North Greenwich Station. I know there's noise, but just bear with me. This is how I'm going to spend my day today. I always go for a walk, so today I'm not gonna walk around my area. It will be here in Greenwich, going to Canary Wharf. I'll get this side. How many minutes? 7 minutes.
That's right.
7 minutes, wow. 7 minutes wait. When the train arrives, these doors, one of them is this one, it will open automatically. You don't open it. This is underground. I am underground. So continue watching until the train arrives.
And if you say something that doesn't look right, speak the staff or text British Transport Grace on 6.
Guys, it's very interesting, very, very interesting that technology is like this, where you can just come here underground and get train. Within minutes, I'll be where I'm going. I like this area because you've got access to transport. You can have this underground with this Jubilee line. It will take you until central London. Buses, which is London buses, they'll take you around. It's even cheaper. Railway station is a bit expensive here in the UK. Transport is a bit expensive comparing to other European countries here in UK. Then we've got cable cars, Uber boat. What about Uber cabs? Local private cabs, black cabs. Don't use black cabs. They will charge you a lot of money. Be careful, unless if you are rich, you are a celebrity. But otherwise, they'll charge you a lot of money. So this is it. That's the name of the station, North Greenwich Station. When you are new here, you'll be saying North Greenwich, but they say North Greenwich. You cannot hear some of the letters, North Greenwich. Yeah. So let's wait for the train together. So guys, the train is here. You see the door is gonna open automatically. Gonna open, people get off. We have to wait until everyone gets off. Then it's full. So guys, I have to get escalator, not lift. I'm in Canary Wharf, but sometimes it will confuse me because it's so huge, this station. I need to get a place where I can get where I'm going. So it seems already that I still need to walk down there. Okay, I need to get off. Yeah, I'm at the right side. Yeah, I don't need to get up. Yeah, I need to touch. I need to find my shop. Let's see. Where is it? See the gates. That side. I need to go that round. Okay, I need to come out from that side. It's so big, guys. So let me walk fast and get to the right side. All the shops are there. Let me just get off anywhere and get this Savannah shop. I need even coffee. I'm gonna touch here. Let me out. So there are small shops here. I can get coffee here like this. Really? I don't think so. I don't think so. I'll get coffee anywhere. I don't think so. So I'm in this station, which is Canary Wharf. This is where, as I said, all the banks, big banks are here. That's where money is. Where we are here, there's nothing. You can see nothing. Jubilee way out. Oh, Jubilee place. That's the shop. Guys, that's the shop. That's the shop. Savannah. Guys, I'm gonna buy. Let me buy biltong. Then I can be eating wherever I am going. Hello. Yeah. Can see. Everything is here. Always. Can I have biltong? The one, which one is that? The chili chutney one, just for £5 money. I'll come back to buy some stuff here. Let me go. Okay, let me see what soft drinks you've got. Iced tea. Let me guys get iced tea. Robust iced tea with the ginger one. Guys, I'll show you when I come back with this one. Yeah.
We only need cold.
Oh, you want on a oh, okay. I know shops from these bus stops, they're always like let me use my phone. Pay with my phone.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a
Yeah, I'll
very
be
nice
back
day.
to buy some Raja car. I think you've got it, the yellow one. Oh, don't tell me there's none here. Okay, see you here. Guys, this is Savannah.
As in like
It's a South African shop. So I'm gonna go inside. I don't know. Do I need to go now? I'm gonna go outside before I start going inside the what? See? Guys, I don't want to be greedy, but I want to show you this view. It's lunchtime, so you can see people. And you see these buildings, guys. This is Canary Wharf. This is nothing. Can you see? See this building here. This building here. I don't even know how to take the proper. Okay, from down. You see? This is nothing. This is where I'm coming from, the station. That's the station, Canary Wharf. See, people are busy. I'll show you what I bought. Yeah, there's a park here. But let me take you around first. Yeah. Take you around this very beautiful place. I should have gone up there so that I can get nice view there. Let me go to the park first and show you the park. I came here to do shopping, but it doesn't stop me. Well, there's more places there. It doesn't stop me taking you around. This place is where money is. I think the big brains work here. If you get a job here, you know yourself that I think you'll be getting good money. Oh, there used to be water here. I think they are doing some what? There used to be water here, but they are doing some construction. A lot of amendments. You see, everywhere now there's no water. So the park is not the same. The park is not the same. Oh, let me just pass somewhere. Yeah, there's water there. It's just beautiful park. Beautiful park. Show you how beautiful. If I say money talks here, you see? Money talks here. You see? Money talks. See people how on their break. Tallest buildings are here. This is the area where you can get tallest buildings. Can get tallest buildings here. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Today, you and me will be here at Canary Wharf. I wish there was fish in this water. You see? You see? Guys, this is how London, how beautiful London is. You see? I cannot step there. I need to behave. Clean water looks so clean, though there's no fish. So I've shown you this area. Then now I'm going back to other areas where the river is. Guys, the same river, River Thames, is where I'm taking you. But this is a different area. Yeah. Guys, this is another place where I'm going to sit. As I said, it's lunchtime, so you'll be seeing people. You're seeing people everywhere. See how nice this place is.
I wasn't very successful.
Just come here and relax. Oh, thank you. Come here and relax. I can go and sit on top there. You see? Water everywhere. You see? Little birds. Little. You see? Water everywhere. You see? When we talk about money, money is here, guys. This is where money is. What's the name of this? Where I'm standing here, down there there's water. Middle dock from prehistory to present. Wow. There's history from Bronze Age, Roman, medieval, early modern. Wow. 4,000 years ago. Wow. So good. Yeah. So I need to go further there. I'm not sitting yet. Guys, I used to be scared when I'm passing a place where there's some holes like this. I don't know where my fears are. But no more being scared. I can go and stand there. You see there? Wow, everything is new. Seems new. This is where I'm passing. On top, if you can see something on top, is a DOR. It's another train. They call it DOR. Yeah, you see? Seems it's so deep. I can see so dark. Is it deep? Might be it is deep. But it's not like you can swim there, no guys. It's just decorations. Making London look great. That's why I enjoy. I love London, guys. Why not? Let me see here. Why not going there? Guys. Wow. Twala camera. Wow, there's a camera here. Okay. TikTok Canary Wharf. Wow. Say TikTok Canary Wharf. That's where you can do there. You see water. I think this is the nice place for me to take. This is Morgan Stanley to take a thumbnail. Look at the beauty, guys. Look at this. Wow. This is Canary Wharf, guys. Hey. This is London. Padium is there. This is where I'm coming from, guys. This is London Canary Wharf. Let me get a thumbnail. Guys, Irish people, they say ta. They want to say, they'll say thumbnail. Thank you. Thank you. That's what they say. So water. Guys, wow. Why not coming and visit London and see this beautiful. I saw headquarters of Revolut. Chase. Oh, that's Revolut. That Revolut card, that's the headquarters there. Can you see? That's Revolut headquarters. If you know about Revolut card, that's the headquarters. All those banks headquarters are here. Tallest buildings. So you know, money is here. Money talks. So guys, I'll show you what I bought. Some of you know biltong is cured meat. That's biltong with sweet chili. And I buy Robos iced tea, lime ginger flavor, citron, vet, and gingembre. This is a South African drink. Sometimes we miss that. But on my way back home, I will buy again. Even the biltong, I'll buy some and take home. It's expensive, £5. Just this £5. Plus this, I paid £6 something. They don't allow cash, they allow on a card. Definitely. So I was resting here because I'm gonna walk around, show you places as much as I can. So continue watching while I'm enjoying my biltong. Do you know biltong? Do you love biltong? Guys, that's my favorite. But this is my first time this year to come here, so my first time to buy it. I'm not gonna finish. I need to go and do some work. So let's go back now and see places. Very nice, very yummy. Yummy. This one is finished, so let me check this in the bin. It's sunny, guys, don't worry. Still beautiful places. I don't want you to be seeing me, I want you to be seeing beautiful places. So this is another place. I'm coming from there. I was here, I'm coming from there. See? Look at that. There are shops there, you can see. This is my left hand side. These are places where people, they can take photos, just come here and take pictures. Even beds, they are enjoying. Look at this beautiful bed. Enjoying, connecting with nature. You know, I love connecting with nature. Okay. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yeah. Until the end there. Let's see. I think nowadays I'm brave. I used to get scared walking places like this. Hey, thank you, Auntie Yami, for being brave. Banana wall. Across the water from where you are standing is the banana wall. However, this fun sounding name has a far darker history. Okay. Now known as Middle Dock, the Banana Wall was once part of the West India Export Dock. This was built between 1803 to 1806, paid for in part with profits from trading of enslaved people. Guys, this is very interesting. Goods such as sugar, rum, cotton passed through here on their way to and from colonized British territories in the West Indies and Africa. Wow. You might think the Banana War was named after the goods that passed through this dock, but it actually relates to the war's sharp, which curves in under the water like a banana. Its design helped feed the warehouse of ships bringing goods to and from the Caribbean. Guys, this is history. In 2001, archaeologists from Mora Museum of London Archaeology discovered this wall was the first of its kind ever built in Britain. Wow, guys. Oh my God. Look at this. This is history. You have to know. Guys, you see, this is something about slavery. You can see, and you know, the countries who were colonized by British, you know yourself, Jamaica is in the group, and also African countries, Ghana, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, South Africa. It was a bit late. Then Kenya, I think Uganda. Guys, you can name some of the countries. I couldn't read everything, but at least you've got idea about this area where they used to ship. Slaves were working there. So this slavery, guys, is real. I'm telling you. I'm not saying that it's true, but I'm just telling you that there's a monument there. There's a remembrance place there. There's a place there where you know that it really happened, and there are brave people who will always remind the Muzungus not to forget, like the time of Black History Month, which is nowadays remembered here. I remember the time I was working in schools, Black History Week. We were preparing dishes like for especially like African dishes, Afro-Caribbean, that's what I can say. Can you see, guys? This is also another place to sit. Look where I'm going, where I'm coming from. You'll be just connecting with nature. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. How am I going there? If I go there, I have to go around. Wow. Guys, look at the beauty, the buildings. Wow, this is London, guys. It's not a joke. This is London. Do you know that you cannot finish this place? I've been here before, but you don't finish this place. Let me go back and head to the other way. I'm gonna turn the camera so that you can see. Yeah, you can see that's where I wanted to go. Yeah, so let's turn the camera like facing Antiami while I'm passing here. Yeah, because people here are having fun. Yeah. It's lunchtime. Some are drinking. Some are relaxing. You name it. This is nice area, guys. Why not? You see? This is nice view. Yeah. That's where people are seated. That's the place I wanted to take you, but now I've changed my mind. Look at there, still tall buildings. Wow. This is also one of the, not really tourists, I'm telling you, but it's for the RICH, the rich. Canary Wharf. So Canary Wharf, Mackenzie Walk. We've got Cabot Square, Cabot Place, Westface Circles, and Canada Square. All those are shopping malls. They've got, I think, about 3-4 here, one place. So look at where I'm walking now. And you see this side? Hey, guys, this is life. Life. See, there's a boat there. I wanted to go there. There used to be a place, very nice place, but I don't know how it looks now. But let's continue and go. There's apartments for sale. You can come and buy these apartments if you've got money, if you are rich enough. Guys, this is where you find a lot of Americans who came here to work. Like I told you, there's Bank of America here. You see, these restaurants is for the rich. But you know, you can work hard. This YouTube, if you work hard, you see, if you work hard, you can get that money and treat yourself. Let me try to do something here. Look at myself at this beautiful place. Okay, so I'm still walking. Let me show you beautiful view here of Railroad and City, and that are the tallest building. See, and that's where I was. I've crossed the other side of that. I'm coming from here. We are going that side. Very busy. That tube, which is train, was very full. I don't know what is happening somewhere, but it seems as if there's something happening. I didn't check about activities around. Let me go and check home. Tomorrow I might go and see where the people are gathering for years, talk about Palestinians. So tomorrow I might go there. Let us see, fingers crossed. I might go there. It will be very interesting. This is Bank Street. Yeah. This street is where I was showing you the time I was the other side. I was showing you JP Morgan. It's Bank Street. Yeah. So what do you think about this vlog? What do you think about Canary Wharf? So there are shops down there. Do I need to go to the shops? Yeah. Let's go to the shops down there. You see? Then we'll get the other side. We are going to the shops. See, I've left that road. Shops. Ooh. Cabot Place, yeah. There's Jubilee Place, Cabot Place, but this is Cabot Place. Can you see this decoration? I hope they don't stop anyone taking. Yeah, still I'm walking to where the shop is. See the floor, how beautiful this floor is. Just the floor by itself. If you see the toilets here, oh my God, this is a very, very posh in this shopping mall. Yeah, so let's go and see. I think they don't allow, they might not allow me to take. Well, let us see anyway. Let us see. Let us see. Security, security, where are you, security? Let us see. Security, security. Oh my God. You know what? There are 3 boys there. 3 boys there. Let me stop first and ask. So guys, I'm inside the train. I'm inside the train. I asked security about filming inside the shopping center. They said they don't allow. That's why, guys, I didn't take you around. But at the end of the day, the video is already long. I'll come back and show you other malls like Jubilee Mall. So just check out this channel, guys. Check out. So I'm inside the train now. On my way home, only one stop left. Yeah, only one stop. Yeah, that's inside the train. That's where I am. It's been really great day. At least I've stretched my body. I have tried really hard to stretch my body and a bit of back exercise. I'm sweating. Yeah, because it's warm. So I am sweating. I went to that shop. When I reach somewhere outside the train, I'll show you what I bought. I will show you. And I've arrived now, guys. You see, it's not even far. I've arrived, but it doesn't mean that I can walk, guys. No, it's the other side. But because it's fast train. Yeah. Let me. You see, this time is busier at the bars, different from the time I was coming, but now it's so busy. So I'm on the queue now until I reach there. So guys, I'm back at the O2 where I call home. So watch out this space. Watch out this space. You know, on top of the roof at the O2 there, you can see people climbing, but I will never do that. I'm always scared with the heights. It's really interesting. It's really interesting. I'll never do that. So this is how it is. Yeah, some of you've seen already this area, but I'll show you what I got. If I find a seat somewhere to rest. London buses there. That's the bus station outside the train station.
Which one is it?
So let's continue, guys. This is where we call home. So this is home sweet home. Thank you very much for watching this vlog. Thank you very much for taking yourself with me Auntie Yami, we were not there. No, by watching, it means you are with me. So thank you very much. God bless you abundantly. Wow, I'm going to show you what I bought. Yeah, why can't you show us at home? Guys, I'll be sitting somewhere just relaxing. I want just to show you how life can be a bit expensive here in UK. I want to sit somewhere where I'm not gonna mind people's business. This is what I bought. I bought Raja hot curry powder, which is this one. The second one is Raja medium curry powder. Then I bought Carpenter in stroke Matemba. Then I bought Choco Kids. Oat biscuits. That's oat biscuits. I bought Life Boy. This is very, very good soap, guys. I think everyone knows Life Boy in Africa. I don't know if you've got it other places, but this is Life Boy. Yeah, this one is with aloe vera. Life Boy with aloe vera. It's a very health soap, even for women. This soap is good. You can even use it to wash your putututu. So it's good. It's very good. It cures pimples or what, but anyway, to me, I'm used to this soap. I didn't know that they sell there, so today I saw it. I thought, why not? This is Carpenter Little Fish. It's different from the ones they call, I don't know, in Kenya something, but I don't know if it's the same. So this is what I bought, guys. Thank you very much for joining me. Anyway, the more you're going to watch this video, it means you was with me wherever I showed you. I was meant to go for shopping and a walk, so I decided to show you, just take you around that place. As you can see, that was Canary Wharf. You saw the tallest buildings there, and I told you that all the headquarters of banks are there. That's why security is a bit tight. That's why, you know, those shopping centers, they don't normally take. You can do some video, but you have to sneak. But with me, I didn't want to do that because I thought, you know what, I don't want them to embarrass me. Even outside, it's restricted, but I managed to get videos. So if you come here, make sure you've got a bit hidden camera, then you can take videos around. They say that if you are a student, they allow you, but you have to show ID. So enjoy this vlog, continue supporting my channel, continue enjoying. I know it's change of content, but we are getting there. We are going to get used. Any views we get is enough for the meantime until we get settled and continue enjoying. Thank you very much. God bless you and have a nice day and enjoy your weekend. See you soon. Ciao, ciao. Bye.